Hello, I'm Neil, and this is the John Lewis JLAFFS2012 fridge. This is what it looks like now. Look at all the stuff in the freezer. This is how we live our lives, and this is what it looks like stocked. It's just one little complaint. I don't know if you see this, but I'll do it right next to the nice drink. The shelf cracked. That's the only injury we've had in a year, and this is what the fridge looks like when it comes straight off the truck. So it's just arrived. I can't get you a good shot because I've asked them to not install it because we're going to cut the counter to fit, but I can give you a walk around. I should have shot this sideways. I'll get you a better shot later on in the video. Here's the display. And a question that comes up a lot is how long should you leave it off? In our case, we've been told 8 hours. So it's just come off the truck. So the handles are screwed on using Allen keys there. Can't get it to focus. Oh, it's too close. Let's try that. And it comes with Allen key. Might as well show you the pack before we push it back. You probably want to see the fridge though instead. There might be people looking at this video just for a video version of the manual. Anyway, that gives you an idea of the kind of size of manual that you get. And the other thing that I can show you before it goes in, it's difficult to show you in terms of height. So I'm 5'10". I think it's 177 tall, but it's 5'10". I've got my big trainers on. And the other thing you probably want to see, have a look at the roof. Here you go. There's this thing at the back. I don't know if the 177 includes the thing. And that's what the back looks like. On the website, I think it says that it's 90.6 centimetres wide. But if you want to know, because I really wanted to know what the width was before it arrived, I can't hold the camera, I'll just get the paper up. It's actually, with these plastic protectors on, it's 91 centimetres exactly. So I don't know if that helps you with your planning. Sorry, the focus is all over the place because I'm stretched over the counter trying to film it. The side, I don't know if it comes across on the video, it's this textured kind of plastic. And there's a plastic fitting. You may not see that if that is embedded in your kitchen. And obviously we'll take the packaging off and show you in a minute. I'll show you inside in a minute as well. You're probably dying to see it, but I can do that properly when I've got some space. There's a sneaky peek there, and a sneaky peek here. This is how it comes off the truck, wrapping all over it. The doors were in this section here, but the delivery guys who were brilliant put the handles on for me. Show you the detail. So the top of the doors it looks like. And the doors, was really funny. All all the display fridges, the fridge door is slightly higher than the freezer door, and nobody knows why.
Whoa!
Here we go with the unveiling of the so it's already preset it for 4 and 19. You can see it lit up.
Lovely.
So that was about a year ago. This is how the fridge is now, and if you're interested, this is how you change the controls. So I think you hold you can change. We have ours on 3, and the freezer cycles through, and we tend to have it on -18. I hope this helps. If it has helped, why not give me a thumbs up or leave a comment just to say hi? It'd be great to hear from you. Or click on the button in the bottom right hand corner, subscribe, or the link under the video. And thanks for watching. I hope this helps.
My daddy's got 76 subscribers. B number 77. Bye.
Bye.